Okay, we get our head here, and we're taking some more out on the sides here. Smooth this down a little bit. So what we want to do now is we have to take this part out in here, because we got to have the eyelids come up, and we have to flatten that out anyway. So I'm going to use this tool here, and we're going to cut along this line. Like I said, you don't want to be up too high when you do this, because then you can't come down. But I can cut this low, and then as I adjust it, I might be able to come up more higher if I need to. See, we got that started, and that might be where I want them. I don't know yet. We got to round down these cheeks here. We still have to go in the nose. We got to take this deeper in here because we want the bridge of the nose to stick out more. Here's my pattern I'm kind of going after. So I keep that so I can keep looking at that. So we're going to keep working on this, and then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.